Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson and we're going to be learning words for different parts of the body, and this is the first of 3 lessons on the body. Alright, so if you can look at this picture and see if you can name any of the parts of his body. What parts of the body do you know? So you can take a few moments, you can pause the video if you like and think about that, maybe write some down, and then we'll show some of the answers on the next slide. Alright, so here are some common parts of the body that you can see in this picture. This is his head, so the head would be everything. The neck is where his head is connected to his body. These would be his arms, and these would be legs. Now in this picture, this is her chest, her waist, her knee, and her foot. And this is his back. Actually, the back would be the whole, the whole back of his body. His shoulder is this joint where his arm is connected at the top, and then the middle joint is the elbow. Alright, so now see if you can name the parts of the body that we just learned. So take a few moments, write down those answers. And then try these. See if you can remember. And here are the last 3. See if you can remember these. Alright, so we're going to focus now on the head and neck. So here she is wearing a hat on her head. And she is wearing a necklace, this is the necklace, around her neck. He is carrying a bag over his shoulder. And she has a sore back from carrying a heavy bag on her back. He has a bad cough. He has a sore chest. She has one broken arm, so this is the broken arm, and her other arm is not broken. And legs, if you want to run fast, you need strong legs. She bumped her elbow, and now it is sore, so that elbow is the joint right there. And when you bend over, it's important to bend your knees. And these men are shaking hands. He is kicking the ball with his foot. And he has his hands on his waist. Also, you wear a belt around your waist. Alright, so now see if you can choose the correct answer. I kick a ball with my, which should be foot. And what do we call this picture? Is it touching hands or shaking hands? This is shaking hands. When you cough, your chest is sore or your arm is sore? That would be your chest is sore. And is it her arm is broken or her back is broken? Her arm is broken. And for this one, it's either his back is sore or his waist is sore. Well, this one would be his back is sore. And now see which parts of the body that you can remember. See how many you can name. You can pause the video while you do that. All right, now complete the sentences below. You can fill in the gaps with these words from the boxes. The first one is already done. His head is too big for that hat. Now pause the video and answer questions 2, 3, and 4, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So she has a terrible cold and cough. That is why her chest hurts. Number 3, my neck is sore because I have looked at the computer for a long time today. And number 4, my back is sore. I need a new bed to sleep on. Okay, again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, here are the answers. My legs are tired. I ran 15 kilometers today. His arms are very big. He must go to the gym and lift weights. A cat always lands with its feet on the ground. And my mom told me not to put my elbows on the table. It is rude. Okay, please bend your knees to pick up that box. His waist is smaller now. He lost a lot of weight. She always carries her bag over her shoulder. And the football players usually shake hands at the end of the game. And to run fast, you need strong legs. His elbow is sore. He bumped it on the table. She has a sore back. She was carrying large boxes. And the necklace was a present from her mother. She always wears it around her neck. All right, so that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.